Did you know that sunflower seeds are one of the best sources of vitamin E? In this video, I am going to show you the 5 health benefits of sunflower seeds. So let's get into it. Number 1. Sunflower seeds are a great source of vitamin E. The oil in sunflower seeds is full of vitamin E, which protects cells from free radicals. Vitamin E also helps to protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Sunflower seeds are high in protein. Sunflower seeds are rich in protein, which is essential for the repair and growth of muscle tissue. They also help to lower cholesterol levels because they contain both omega-6 fatty acids and phytosterols. Regulate blood pressure. Sunflower seeds are also high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Eating sunflower seeds may reduce your risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Sunflower seeds contain magnesium that can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Also, it can prevent from stroke. Sunflower seeds are high in selenium. A 1-ounce portion of sunflower seeds contains 0.2 milligrams or 28% of your daily need for this mineral, which is necessary to maintain a healthy thyroid and immune system. Selenium also helps to keep skin looking young and healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. The next one will be even better. And don't forget to share it around.